If you're dreaming of your very own countryside estate, well then the wait is over. I'd love to introduce you to my newest listing, 2941 Little River Road in Madison, Georgia. In addition to the 5,000 square foot lodge, there's 5 cottages on property fit for a pottery barn ad. The possibilities are endless, perfect for family gatherings, a corporate event, or primary living. This beautiful property sits on 12 scenic acres, ideal for front porch sitting, and is also surrounded by hundreds of wooded acres for ultimate privacy.